Hi, I'm Brent Van Loon, owner of Van Loon Carpentry. This is my first time working with Kablan tiles. So the problems it solved, it made it much easier to install. Doing a herringbone pattern is definitely a lot easier with magnetic because I'm not working with mortar and I'm not grouting. I spent 4 hours laying it out, and as I made adjustments, I could just pull it up and adjust and reinstall. So the first time I seen it on Dragon's Den, and I was thinking that was a really cool product. And then my client mentioned to me, and I started watching some YouTube videos, and I got pretty excited to have the chance to work with it because it seemed like a very cool product. Definitely now that I got used to using the product, the next time will just go way faster. So a little bit of a learning curve because this is my first time using it. But now that I've kind of caught on to how to install and some tricks that Gabriel shared with me, the next time I do this, it's just going to go twice as fast. It's hard sometimes to try something new because you're used to doing something a certain way. But I'm really happy that I did get the opportunity to work with it, because after doing this job, I realized how great a product it was and how easy it was to work with. If you had a tile that broke, you could just pull it up. So if there's any ever issues and you need to change a tile, it's super easy. It'll take you a few minutes. Versus if you have regular tiles with mortar and grout, you have to break them out and re-mortar a new tile in. So like a 2-minute job with magnetic tiles could be a half a day with regular tiles. Absolutely, I would recommend this because it's so easy to work with, and it's just a great product.